Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Wright County, Northern Hennipen County, Western Anoka County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Corcoran, or 11 miles southeast of Buffalo, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Brooklyn Park, Plymouth, Maple Grove, Coon Rapids, Blaine, Andover, Brooklyn Center, Fridley, Ramsey, Champlin, Anoka, and St. Michael. This includes Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 204 and 205. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in the Twin Cities.